Good morning, children. So today in the class we have fly and the mosquito. Okay. Today I am going to explain this poem to you. Our dear science teacher is teaching us about insects. He speaks fluently like a preacher. For that we give him our respect. His lesson isn't boring at all, but is difficult to understand. So I begin dreaming of football and me as champion with a cup in hand. But suddenly the teacher asked to my woe, what is the difference between a fly and a mosquito? I come to my sense and without any idea have a go. I say in a voice very tense, a fly can fly, but a mosquito cannot mosquito. So, see, here the lesson is about a child, a boy sitting in the class. ये लेसन में एक बॉय है जो अपने क्लास में बैठा और ही इज लिसनिंग टू हिज साइंस टीचर. वो अपने साइंस टीचर का क्लास सुन रहा एंड द टीचर इज टीचिंग अबाउट इंसेक्ट्स. इंसेक्ट्स मालूम ना, फ्लाइज, मस्कीटोज, हनी बीज, बटरफ्लाइज, लाइक इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में बोला. ही स्पीक्स फ्लुएंटली लाइक अ प्रीचर. द टीचर इज स्पीकिंग वेरी फ्लुएंटली and she is explaining like a preacher. Preacher matlab person who says about, who teaches about the religion. Okay. And preacher matlab देखो priest रहता ना, पुजारी या बड़े बड़े लोग जो अपना भाषण देते, पाठ करते. And that we give him our respect. और उन लोगों को हम कैसा रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं. इवन द टीचर ऑल्सो टीचर्स लाइक अ प्रीचर. फॉर दैट थिंग वी विल रेस्पेक्ट अवर टीचर्स. यस और नॉट? यू डू रेस्पेक्ट योर टीचर्स, राइट? यस. हिज लेसन इजंट इट बोरिंग एट ऑल, बट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. ही इज टेलिंग अबाउट हिज टीचर. वो लेसन तो कभी भी बोरिंग नहीं रहता, बट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द लेसन ऑफ द टीचर. सो आई बिगेन ड्रीमिंग ऑफ फुटबॉल. सो क्या करा, उसका वो लेसन बहुत बोरिंग दिख रहा था, मगर इट वॉज नॉट बोरिंग, बस उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. समझ में नहीं आया तो क्या किया, ही स्टार्टेड स्लीपिंग एंड ड्रीमिंग. वो अपना ड्रीम देख ले रहा, सो जाके अपना, ही इज ड्रीमिंग लाइक ही इज अ फुटबॉल एंड मी एज अ चैम्पियन. और वो अपने मन, वो सो गया और इन द ड्रीम ही इज थिंकिंग दैट ही इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल and he became the champion with a cup in his hand. But suddenly तुम लोग अभी ऐसा ही करते ना, when teacher teaches the lesson you sleep happily. सो जाते, आके टीचर उठा के क्वेश्चन पूछती, you don't know the question. The same thing happened. Suddenly the teacher came and asked him why were you sleeping. वो मतलब sadness, ऐसा डल है, dullness. Why were you sleeping? Oh, there is no answer. Then the teacher asked the question, what is the difference between fly and a mosquito? What is the difference between fly and a mosquito? उसको तो कुछ मालूम ही नहीं, because he didn't listen to the lesson. वो lesson सुना नहीं, उसको कुछ मालूम नहीं. But he became tensed. डर गया, डर के in a shivering words he answered, a fly can fly. A fly can fly. Fly मतलब उड़ना, एंड ऑल्सो फ्लाई मतलब मक्खी. एस ईगा, ए फ्लाई कैन फ्लाई. ओ ईगा एगरगलदु मतलब एक मक्खी उड़ सकता, फ्लाई कैन फ्लाई, बट ए मस्कीटो कांट बी मस्कीटो. जोक समझ में आया? फ्लाई को हम क्या बोलते हैं? उड़ने को फ्लाई बोलते हैं और मक्खी को भी फ्लाई बोलते हैं. वो बोला ए फ्लाई कैन फ्लाई, एक मक्खी उड़ सकता, मगर ये मस्कीटो कांट बी मस्कीटो. मस्कीटो तो नाम है. यस, दैट वाज अ जोक, दैट वाज अ सिंपल लेसन. सो दिस इज द लेसन एंड नाउ I'll tell you two bits from this textbook. There are only two bits from the textbook. I'll give you these bits and I'll also give you notes of this lesson today. So take out page number 13, A bit. First one, see. Read the words given below have a similar meaning to some words in the poem. find those words from the poem and write down beside. Okay, you write down the answers here, children. First one, sadness. Sadness matlab dull, boring, winner, चैंपियन. वो वर्ड के सेम मीनिंग वर्ड्स लेसन में क्या है वो लिखना. अवेयरनेस, अवेयरनेस, अंडरस्टैंड, next nervous, tense. Sixth one, regard, respect. Okay, this is the page number 13, the sixth bit here. Write down the answers over here, children. Now turn your page, see, fill in the blanks with articles. Okay, see, now take out page number 14, C bit. Long ago, a king ruled over a large, see, I am putting comma, children. The comma before word, each and every comma you have to write it here. A comma हुआ तो next blank, comma हुआ तो उसके बाद का blank, वैसा. Long ago, a king ruled over a large kingdom. He was a cruel man. He was good only to those who praised him. The ones who pointed out his mistakes were thrown out into prison. Even the king's soldiers were unhappy with him. One night, the king had a dream. Full stop. He was being judged by God for his sins. His sins were so much that even people in hell did not want him. Suddenly, the king awoke up with a cry. Full stop. He realized that he had been dreaming. He also realized his mistakes. The next day, an innocent man was to be punished. The king surprised everyone by sparing the man. From that day onwards, the king became a kind person. Okay? This was the meanings over there. See, I'll write it out here. Long ago, a king ruled over a large kingdom. He was a very cruel man. He was good only to those who praised him. The ones who pointed out the mistakes was thrown into prison. Even the king's soldiers were unhappy. One night, the king had a dream. देखिए मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा है, ऐसा लिखना children. He was being judged by his good sins, God for his sins. His sins were so much that even people in the hell did not want him. Suddenly, the king woke up with a cry. He realized that he has been dreaming. He also realized his mistakes. The next day, an innocent man was to be punished. The king surprised everyone by sparing the man. From that day onwards, the king became a kind person. देखिए ऐसा. Like this, you have to write the whole para by filling up this articles. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Now, take out your classwork, children. I'll give you hard words. Take out your classwork, put the lesson heading in a new page and write down first bit hard words. I'll give you only 5 hard words from this lesson. Okay, children? Science. Insects. Champion. Mosquito. Tense. Okay, children? So, these are the 5 hard words given to you from this lesson, and in the second bit, put meanings. Leave a line and write. You have only 2 meanings from this lesson. Preacher. Who teaches religion. Woe. Sadness. Okay? And now third bit, question and answers. Put on third bit. Whose class is the speaker attending? Answer. The speaker is attending science class. Okay? Second question. What question did the teacher asked the speaker. What question did the teacher ask, children? The teacher asked what is the difference between fly and a mosquito? Okay, the teacher asked a question, what is the difference between a fly and a mosquito? So what did the boy answer? उसने क्या आंसर दिया वो क्वेश्चन को? What reply did the speaker give and why? What reply did the speaker give? उसने क्या आंसर दिया? What reply did the speaker give? Actually, I don't know the answer. उसको बॉय को कुछ भी आंसर नहीं मालूम because he was sleeping the whole class. वो पूरा क्लास सो रहा था. Okay? The speaker did not know the answer. उसको आंसर नहीं मालूम. So he said, उसने क्या बोला? A fly can fly. But a mosquito cannot mosquito. Yes, the speaker did not know the answer. So he said, a fly can fly, but a mosquito cannot mosquito. Yes, that's all. This is the lesson, children. By this, your notes have also been completed. You please complete the notes, term book, and read out the lesson. Okay? Thank you.